Hey guys, welcome back to the Dohm Speed Shop. Today we're going to talk about tool organization and different ways you can store your tools. Let's check it out. So in recent tool storage, there's been plenty of options that have come out in the last couple of years, let alone the last 10, 15. You got everything from magnets to foam, cutouts, uh, all sorts of different organization for your box. Let's check out a few. So sockets alone, you got quite a variety of ways to store your tools. You got the old metal style, has that easy to carry around. Doesn't show you what type of sockets they are, but they come in a convenient carrying case from job to job. Then you got your tried and true plastic style socket rails. Everybody makes this style popular for toolboxes where you don't have to bring the whole set everywhere. You just kind of form the box, leave them there. You got stuff like your twist and release socket rails. And then, the last couple of years, more popular has become the foam. Yes, this is extensions, but the foam socket trays, like this one, have become much more popular and easy to use. Benefits of the foam is if you got the colored background, you instantly know at a glance when you're missing a tool. And then, of course, you got the blow molds for specialty sockets, or if you just feel like leaving the tool sockets in their blow molds for easy travel. Say, a tool set for your car, truck, or on a job site. You also have the option of the old school metal push clip style. Style I personally can't stand, but that's the way to do it. Then we go down to wrenches. Wrenches, you have a variety of ways to organize them as well. You got stuff like your magnetic ones that stay in the box. Sometimes you can get away with the case that the wrenches come with for easy travel. Another style is your tray style that some of the higher end tool truck brands will have. And then there's styles like what I don't have, like tool widget, which is a magnetic stackable tray style that you design for your box. Then we go down to pliers. As you can see, my plier drawer isn't perfectly organized, but it is using the plier racks style. Mine is actually a longer plier rack cut in half so it fits the drawer. Once again, I think Tool Widget makes a style for pliers that sits them a little better than this. This is one way over the pile of pliers technique. Which leads me to my favorite type of organization, cordless power tool. This would also work for air tools, but this is the cordless power tool holder from Harbor Freight. One of the options out there. I've seen plenty of guys make a hanger system, hang it upside down in their garage, shop. Other guys have different solutions for the ratchets, sawzalls, and stuff. You can get real creative with your power tools and your air tools, how you decide to store them. And then when you have bigger tools, such as pry bars, screwdrivers, things like that, some guys keep them in the blow molds, store them away. keep them in their one load, store them away like this. Nice and organized. At a glance, you see if you're missing something. Or you always have the option of going with tool cart style pry bar holder. Like in tool carts, you can hang them on the sides of toolboxes that keep your long tools vertical. That's always an option as well. And then, of course, there's always the pegboard option, like right there, that some shops will have for easy access, quick grabbing tools that's essentially communal use. You can always do it that way. And another version, magnetic pulse. Another version is the magnetic pulse. Hold sockets, bolts, nuts, smaller tools, or if you have the bigger version of these, wrenches, etc. You also have things like cordless power tool batteries that you could either line up like this, make a rack for, or purchase racks that accommodate the power tool and the battery itself. And then, of course, you always have things like a chemical cabinet. Hold paints, flammable materials, compressed gases such as propane for torches, things like that. This should always be in a separately storage unit. Fire marshal approved. And then some guys go all out with the foam everything in the toolbox, and that's another way to do it. If you have the patience. I don't. But that's another way to do it. If you can think of a storage system that's slipping my mind, or that you know of that I don't, drop a comment down below, and let's hear your suggestions as well. This has been a quick episode, guys. See you next time here from the Dohm Speed Shop.